Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on voice to text on your device. Let me show you the feature. Let me pop up my keyboard here. If you pop up your keyboard, you will find a microphone icon at the bottom left corner. If you can find it, then that means you can just turn on the voice to text feature on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, just like this. As you can see here, I'm going to talk on this. Here is it is maximum number of character reach. Let me show you from the beginning. Here, as you can see, I'm just talking on the other side of my phone, and it has just catching my speech and turning it into text. So I can use this text from here. So if you can't find it from here, you can do a simple steps that you can just go to the advanced option here, advanced features, and then you can go to the not from here. You can go to the general management, and from here you can go to the Samsung keyboard. If you're using Samsung keyboard, then you can just scroll down, and here you'll find voice input. Then you must need to set the Samsung voice input, or you can also go with Google Voice typing. Both of these feature will help you to turn your voice into text on your device, and that's how you can do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.